Haha. Okay. Someone left this backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy! Mermaids are so cute! I'm gonna play with the mermaid.
Yay! Mermaid!
I'm home! Wash your hands, okay? Okay. What? No, 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 no. Not now. A mermaid? If it is a mermaid, why don't you play in the fish tank? Ah, I see. Fish tank is a good idea. I should have been playing in the fish tank. The mermaid's tiara fell down. Ouch! Ow! It bit me.
Mermaid, 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 mermaid,
I became a mermaid again. can swim. Mimi's not here. Oh, the tiara fell down. Ouch! Ow, ow, wow.
Mermaid, 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 mermaid.
Nemi? Where are you? She's not here? Maybe she's not here or what? Nemi? Where are you? Look! Finally, I found you! I'm so happy. What is that? Or something there? What? What is there? Nemi's slipper. What? Nemi's slipper. There is something under the bed. Yes, maybe I should give them something. First, maybe I will give an apple. Monster, come here. Monster. What? There's something. I have to give something else. What should I give him? Next, I will give him a pizza. Yummy! Monster, it's pizza. Eat it. He's eating. Oh, he ate it all. Wow. Now I should give him another thing. Next is noodles. It smells really good. Monster, now it's noodles. Eat it. Look, he's eating. He ate it all. Now I will bring some sweets. Now I will give him some popcorns. Here you are, Monster. You can eat it. Wow. I want it some. I want it some. Oh my god, he ate it all. Okay, I will catch the monster. He ate it all.
Okay, I will keep my sister's room safe. Okay, monster, where are you? Monster, where are you? Give me the brush back. Give me the brush back. What? He ate the brush. I can't. I'm so tired. I can't. What? I thought it was a monster. What? It was you? I thought it was a monster. I'm so relieved. What? There's something there. What? Nemi! Hi! I ate many delicious food. I'm so happy. I slept high. What? It was all the time you? It was so yummy. Thank you. I was so scared. Nemi. I'm sorry. Sorry. Nemi. Nemi, I will not forgive you. Nemi. Sorry, Ko. I'm so sorry, Ko. Nemi.